Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 Ethernet cable connected but no internet access problem. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening the command, first of all type a command is ipconfig space /flash dns and press enter. After doing this type a command is netsh space winsock space reset and press enter. After that type a command is netsh space int space ip space reset and press enter. After doing this type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search go to your settings of your Windows, and after that go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, and after doing that run the internet connection. After completing that, close the troubleshooter, and I'm sure that after doing this your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a ncpa.cpl, and after that open it. Select the internet connection, internet adapter which is used to connect your internet, and right click, go to your properties, click on internet protocol version 4 and go to your properties. After doing this, select use the following DNS addresses. I have already used it. Now select the use the following DNS addresses, and after that type first of all type preferred DNS is 8.8.8.8, and after doing this set alternative DNS type 8.8.4.4. click on the OK button and close it. After doing this chat, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type device manager, open device manager, select a network adapter, select a other network connection, right click, click on update driver, click search automator from drivers. After doing this step, close it and close it. After doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.